Hey y'all, welcome back. This video is gonna go quick, so I'm gonna jump straight into it. This video, I'm gonna show y'all how to maintain your deep wave curly hair. This hair requires so much maintenance and I was not prepared for it, so I was like, okay, let me make my tutorial for my customers, my clients, and everyone who needs help in this area. So I didn't have products. I was not prepared for this hair, so I just used what I had in the hotel room, which was some conditioner and water. So here I'm just showing you, I had already applied the conditioner and water to my hair. So I'm just showing you how it looks after you apply it. This is how your hair is supposed to look. This is how it should look once you are finished hydrating it, okay? The key to making this hair look pretty and flawless is to hydrate it. Hydration is key. And you see that area right there is not quite hydrated, so I'm going to show you here how I do it. Step 1 is to wet your hands. Wet your hands. Step 2, apply some conditioner, a small amount of conditioner. Rub that in together and then apply it to your hair with your fingertips. You do not want to use combs or brushes on this hair. No. You are going to mess your hair up. So take your time and apply that combination to your hair using your fingertips and making sure that you saturate every strand of this hair. Okay guys, the final step is to add oil. You will not see me do that step in this video, but it is a crucial one. And you want to add the oil into your hair to seal in the moisture. You can add olive oil, coconut oil, vitamin E oil, just some type of oil to ensure that you have that lasting wet look and hydrated look. Okay, so I'm going to insert a picture and show you guys how it should look. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching.